السلام عليكم، مرحبا بكم من جديد في قناة English for Students. So again, welcome back again to the series of English lessons. So today we're going to see an important lesson. It's titled Demonstratives. Demonstratives هما كنقولوا بالعربية أسماء الإشارة. So this, that, these, those. هادو مهمين كنستعملوهم بزاف باش نشيروا لواحد شيء ولا شخص مثلا، okay, في الزمان والمكان. Now, first, let's see the definition. What is a demonstratives? Demonstrative adjective, often called a determiner, that identifies a noun or a pronoun by expressing its position as near or far. يعني تحدد لنا واش قريب ولا بعيد, including in time, داخل في حتى الوقت. The demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, those. So it always comes first in the noun phrase. يعني دائما هذا demonstrative كيجي في الأول noun phrase الجملة. Example: this big dog, that ugly one in the corner. So look, it comes at the beginning of sentence. دائما كيجي في أول الجملة الاسمية noun phrase. Now look at this chart here. It explains them well. So the use استعمال ديالهم. بعدنا this for something which is near. So look, singular apple, عندنا apple وحدة in the hand. And these, so it's the plural of this. عندنا 3 apples. Next one, that, يعني شي حاجة كنشيرو لها أبعد منا, ماشي حدانا, ماشي قريبة. And the plural, those, الجمع ديالها هو those. Now let's see the use of each one of them. نشوفو استعمال ديال كل وحدة فيهم وانت كتستعمل. So the use of this. So this is used with singular nouns that are near. First, a noun should be singular, خصو يكون مفرد. And it should be near, يعني قريب منا, شي حاجة قريبة عنا كامرة. This book. Example: this book. Now the second one, that. So it's used with singular, نفس الشيء بحال this كيستعمل singular nouns but that are far, يعني الأشياء اللي بعيدة منا, that are far. ماشي بحال this الأشياء اللي قريبة, that الأشياء اللي بعيدة منا. Example: that book, يعني شي حاجة كنشيرو لها أبعد من حدانا, يعني بعيدة من الجسم ديالنا. Now these is the plural of this. So these is used with plural. Again here the difference is plural. شفنا this مع singular, دابا these with plural nouns that are near, خصهم يكونوا قراب. Example: these books, okay, these books. Now the fourth one is those. It is used with plural nouns that are far. كنستعملوا مع الأشياء اللي جمع ولكن أبعد من حدنا, بعيدة منا, okay, that are far. Example: those books. Okay, let's see this summary, short summary, before move to practice. So look, so we have singular and plural. شنو اللي كنستعملوا في singular? This and that. ولكن شنو الفرق بين this and that? This is near and that is far. يعني this كنستعملوا شي حاجة قريبة منا, و that شي حاجة بعيدة منا. Next ones, the plural. شنو هما اللي plural? These and those. So these كنستعملوا شي حاجة اللي قريبة منا, and those شي حاجة اللي بعيدة منا. Now let's move to the practice side, okay? So choose the right demonstrative. So we have here this, that, these, those. So is Susan's pencil? So here look, we have it's singular. So is the pencil near or far? So it looks near, يعني قريب منها. دوك واش نستعملو this is Susan's pencil. Number 2, are Jack's cats. So here plural, عندنا كنهضروا على شي حاجة plural, عندنا are. So which means يعني this and that مقصير من الاختيار, اللي غيبقى عندنا هو these and those. واش بعاد ولا قراب هاد الكاتس؟ So they are a little bit far, يعني بعاد من اليد. دونك واش نستعملو those are Jack's cats. Next one, number 3, So is my favorite ball. Is my favorite ball. So here we talk about just one ball يعني singular. يعني الاحتمالات اللي غيكونوا عندنا إما this ولا that. واش قريبة من اليد ولا بعيدة. دونك بعيدة كاش غنستعملو that. So that is my favorite ball. That is my favorite ball. Example number 4. So are Amira's cats. So here we have cats. It's plural. So الاحتمال الوحيد اللي غيكون عندنا إما these ولا those. إلا كانوا قرب منا يعني هما كيبانو قرب من اليد دونك غنستعملو these. So these are Amira's cats. Next one, example number 5. So are the oranges I bought yesterday. Are the oranges I bought yesterday. Here we have plural. دونك الاحتمال الأقرب هما these and those. واش قرب هاد oranges من اليد؟ No, they are far. So we're going to say those. So those are the oranges I bought yesterday. Exercise number 6. So here look, we have a personal computer, laptop. So is my personal computer. So it's singular. دونك احتمال الوحيدين this and that. إلا كان قريب غنستعملو this. إلا كان أبعد غنستعملو that. Look here we have it is near. So we say this is my personal computer. This is my personal computer. Next exercise, look here we have a belt, حزام. So it is singular. So the only choices here are this and that. So let's see first. Is it near or far? So كتبان أبعد far. So that is Tom's belt. That is Tom's belt. Now here is an exercise for you. Choose the right demonstratives. So this, that, these, those. Number 1. I prefer hotel. It's cheaper than that one. 2. Do you want ones or those ones? 3. What are you doing with pencil in your hand? What do you know about children who work in the world? It's too far. I have never been over there in country. I saw people running in the street and they shut my window. So here try to use the correct demonstrative. Now here are the keys to the exercise that we have just seen. So first, I prefer this hotel. It's cheaper than that one. So I prefer this hotel. يعني هذا الفندق اللي قريب. It's cheaper than that one. أرخص من الآخر. Do you want these ones or those ones? Here I use these because we have ones plural. 3. What are you doing with that pencil in your hand? What are you doing with that pencil in your hand? يعني كنهضر مع شخص آخر اللي هاز البنسل في يدو. Donc far. What do you know about those children who work in the world? Those children who work in the world. كلمة يعني. It's too far. I have never been over there in that country. It's too far. I have never been over there in that country. Last, I saw those people running in the street and they shut my window. I saw those people running in the street and they shut my window. I shut, which means I close. Okay, so we come to the end of this video. It was basically about 4 demonstratives. So this, that, these, those. So this is used for singular and something near يعني قريب منا. That is used for singular and something far. زي السنجولار مكاينش حاجة بعيدة منا. These for something plural and near قريبة. Those for something plural and far يعني شي حاجة أخرى بعيدة. Okay, don't forget to share this video with students and all the people who are interested in learning English. Thank you very much again. Bye.